This is registerednursern.com, and in this video we're going to cover psychiatric nursing. Now, psychiatric nurses are amazing individuals who handle the diverse needs of patients suffering from mental illnesses and distress. The challenges that psychiatric nurses experience are well worth the time and effort, as they make a tremendous impact in the lives of patients and their families and help them get their lives back on track in many cases. And in this video I'll give a brief job description, the training requirements, and the salary you can expect to make in this nursing field. Well, psychiatric nurses help patients who suffer from psychiatric disorders and problems including dementia, depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, or psychosis. They're generally RNs who care for patients, communities, and families affected by those mental illnesses. And the daily responsibilities can include creating care plans, providing crisis intervention and counseling, assessing mental health needs of patients, managing therapeutic environments, monitoring and administering treatments to patients, helping patients address their coping abilities, and helping patients care for the self-care related activities. The work environment may include mental health facilities, hospitals, health departments, long-term care centers, and outpatient facilities. Other environments may include prisons and jails, military, colleges and universities, home health agencies, behavioral care companies, and private practice facilities. These individuals may work long hours or shifts in order to fulfill their duties and responsibilities. And as far as the training, the options to receive training to become a psychiatric nurse include, first of all, getting your RN license. And in order to qualify for that, you're going to have to graduate from an accredited university. There are generally a couple of degree options. You can get an associate's degree in nursing or a bachelor's degree of nursing. There's a lot of opportunities in psychiatric nursing that you can progress and go to a higher level of nursing. So a lot of them will return, for example, for a psychiatric nurse practitioner or an additional certification like a master's program. If you're going to go for a master's program, it's certainly going to be a wise decision to go straight for the bachelor's degree as a prerequisite for that. And the coursework in school that you're going to face is generally going to be electives such as psychiatric medications, psychological therapies, and therapeutic alliances. Those are just a few examples of some general courses you may take. And again, once you graduate, you can then sit for your NCLEX examination, which is the state board's test. And the American Nurses Credentialing Center offers a certification for psychiatric nurses and clinical nurse specialists. And certification is sometimes required by employees in certain states, and it's recommended by other states that don't have the requirement. So again, the American Nurses Credentialing Center will offer information about that if you're interested in learning more about the certification process. As far as the salary, how much does a psychiatric nurse make? Well, their income can vary depending on which field of medicine they choose and which type of work setting they choose. A psychiatric nurse with a registered nurse credential can earn an hourly rate of about $24 to $32 per hour. As far as the salary, well, if you earn a master's degree and you become a nurse practitioner, it's possible to earn as high as $75,000 to $85,000, and that can even go as high as closer to $100,000 if you have years of experience. And so you can earn a very substantial salary. As far as the outlook, there's a wonderful outlook for nursing right now. The Bureau of Labor Statistics is projecting one of the fastest growing occupations of all is nursing for the next decade. If you're interested in becoming a nurse, I'd like to invite you to come to our website, registerednursern.com. We have a lot of great resources for you, including free care plan examples, articles on all the different specialties, as well as tips on passing nursing school. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.